Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying your carrier allows tethering and that you have enough data. This prevents unexpected blocks or overage charges. Next, open Settings and turn on the Mobile Hotspot feature, then give it a clear SSID and a strong password so only you connect. Finally, pick the band. Choose 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster throughput. Make that choice now so devices connect reliably. Once the hotspot is live, on your laptop or tablet open Wi-Fi and select the SSID you just created. You're doing this to establish the data path. Enter the hotspot password exactly, caps and symbols matter, or scan the QR code from the phone's hotspot settings if provided to avoid typos. After connecting, check the Wi-Fi details to confirm an IP address and that traffic is routing. This ensures the client is getting internet rather than an isolated connection. To finish, secure your session. Limit the number of connected devices and set an inactivity timeout to conserve battery and data. This prevents slowdowns. If a device connects but has no internet, first toggle the phone's hotspot off and on, then restart the client. If that fails, verify your phone's APN and mobile data are working. Finally, keep the system and carrier settings updated. Once done, you'll have a stable, secure mobile hotspot ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.